Hey students, it's time for the skull. The skull is long and difficult, so please bear with me. So here we go. First of all, number one, I'm going to put it like this. We have the frontal bone. Okay? And then we come down and you look and we see a bone that's located right here, and that is the nasal bone. Okay? Further down, we have the maxilla. Down here, we have the mandible. And of course, we have the teeth. Now, going inside, we have several different bones, but one very big bone that we have is the sphenoid, right there. This bone right here is a zygomatic bone. Okay, now some of the parts we have here. So, first of all, one thing we have right on the supraorbital margin is a notch. So this is supraorbital notch. Sometimes it can be a foramen if it's a hole, but in this case, it's just a notch. Okay, so going down inside, we have the superior orbital fissure. See right there, that right there, superior orbital fissure. And then we have an inferior orbital fissure, which is down there, and it continues just the other direction, down this way. Let's see if I can see it better on this side. Okay, here we go. Now I got it. I got a better shot of it, I think. The superior orbital right there, and inferior orbital is right along there. Okay, and there, of course, way down inside there is a little tiny hole. So you can see where I'm pointing there. See way down inside there? That is the optic canal. Okay, now going down below, you can see another hole right there. And this is the infraorbital foramen. Okay. We also have down here the mental foramen. See the wonderful little hole right there? Great. Okay, so let's continue on. I have some other parts I really want you to do from the side. So let's take a look from the side and see what we can see. Okay, so coming along, you can see some different bones here. Of course, we have the parietal bone, which is right here, and the frontal was there. Okay. We have the temporal bone located right here, and you can see how the temporal bone has an extension that goes forward here. Okay, and up here we have the zygomatic bone. This whole thing is the zygomatic arch. Okay. Alright. Now, another thing we have here, and I want to make sure you see, and we're going to go through all of these, but hang tight a moment here, and you can see the mandible, okay, pretty well there, and you can see the teeth, and just hold for a second.